first of all, this is a welcome decision. हो सरकार जो आहा हांकां कोणाचें पडोंक ना. Administration सारकें फेल जाला. Today, on behalf of the people of Goans, जो आमचो बाब क्लाउड आल्वारीस गेला, and time and over again he has shown that these NGOs are protecting Goa's interest. This government has failed miserably. They are working on the dictates of the central government. हांकां आमचें गोंयकारांचें पडोंक ना. No doubt that there is habitation in these areas. लोक रावताय थिंगा. But गोंय उतलें जाल्यारूच आमी लोक सगळे उतले. उदकाचो प्रश्न आहा. कर्नाटका सगळे डायवर्जनरी टॅक्टिक्स कोताय जायते भाशेन तेंकां तो DPR तेमी जायते भाशेन डॅमूय ते दुसऱ्या जाग्यार घालपाक सोदताय. So this is the only relief, and I congratulate all these NGOs because हे सरकाराचेर आमकां विश्वास ना. I congratulate the court for giving this tiger reserve जावपा जाय in the interest of Goa.
So a few days back we heard the CM was saying that tiger reserve is not possible. How you look at
The
this?
CM says everything. Tiger reserve, there were tigers spotted there. The High Court in its detailed order has given several clauses of the WWF. So, यांका protect जावपाकूच जाय. And main मुद्दे म्हादय आमची जरी तर protect कोता जाय. I fail to understand. No doubt that people लोकांक त्रास जातले. But we have to see how these people can work, how we can work all together, how they can be rehabilitated to another place or within their habitat, what actually is going to happen. So, हे जे वाघेरी हे नाव येयल्लें तें वाघांतल्यानू येयल्लें. So, हे म्हाका दिसता it is a welcome decision, and I hope this government is sensitive enough and they need to accept this with all humility.
ते रिबिल्ड म्हणजे ते गाव आसा किंवा वस्ती आसा तेंचे रिहेबिलिटेशनाचे प्लॅन करून दिवं सरकारान.
Definitely, what is the repercussion of this order will have some repercussions. But first of all, Mhadai can be saved. This looks as if Mhadai cannot be saved by the central government or by the state government. The High Court has done justice. The courts are the only way forward, looks like, with the way this government illegalities and state you cannot protect, and you have a clause and you say no, it doesn't fit the criteria. उदो तरी आमकां ना जाल्यार आनी मागीर मुखार फुडार कितें?